Hey guys, great to see you again. This is my second video on our channel YouTube, and today my younger brothers are not showing up here, and so I I going to record this video by myself. And in this video, I will let you know how to do a plank exercise step by step. Now we will begin. I have prepared for you guys how to do this exercise, include 4 steps. Step number 1, position your elbow directly beneath your shoulder. Step number 2, make and maintain a straight body from head to heels. Step number 3, squeeze your butt and the front of your thighs. And last step, brace your abs like you are going to take a punch. Now we're going to real practice. I'm going to do this exercise in real. And I set up an alarm for 30 seconds. Now we will begin. I had just finished 30 seconds in play. I let you know how to do this step by step, and I really promise with you in the next video I will show you another exercise to do at home and can get you improve your health. Okay, see you later.